Learn with Funland.
Types of aquatic animals. First aquatic animals is sea turtle. First aquatic animals is sea turtle. Second aquatic animals is clownfish. Second aquatic animals is clownfish. Third aquatic animals is jellyfish. Third aquatic animals is jellyfish. Fourth aquatic animals is blue whale. Fourth aquatic animals is blue whale. Fifth aquatic animals is starfish. Fifth aquatic animals is starfish. Sixth aquatic animals is dolphin. Sixth aquatic animals is dolphin. Seventh aquatic animals is octopus. Seventh aquatic animals is octopus. Eight aquatic animals is piranha. Eight aquatic animals is piranha. Ninth aquatic animals is crab. Ninth aquatic animals is crab. 10th aquatic animals is shark. 10th aquatic animals is shark. 11th aquatic animals is stingray. 11th aquatic animals is stingray.
That's all for today, kids. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. Bye-bye.